It's the final day of the National Ploughing Championships here in Carlow. There are huge crowds pouring onto this site on this beautiful morning.
I suppose around drying off, you really want to know what your cows are at cell count wise. So ideally you'd have milk recording done, so you know what individual cows are doing. The bulk tank will give you a very good indication obviously what the cell count is like in your herd.
Yellow.
It is, yeah, very yellow.
So then you can swirl,
Okay.
and then you normally also what you do is wine, you just see how it's go down on the glove.
The area of anxiety and mental health, results show that 57% of farmers are affected to some degree.
No, to be honest, I'm not surprised by it. I'm not just pension age yet, I might be far away, but in my time farming has drastically changed. When I was farming first and with farming, there was always several people in every household.